Hello and welcome to another video. In this video we're going to take a look at how to clean your dirty car carpet where your feet is always positioned and the area under the floor mats and where the pedals are. We're going to be using a foam solution by Turtle Wax. Let's see how it works. Enjoy the video. If you're new, please subscribe. Let's go. So before we get started, I always like to remove the floor mats and put them in the washing machine. That cleans very well and that saves a lot of extra rubbing. So just put this in the washing machine after you vacuum clean them and they'll be just fine. This area where your feet goes all the time is particularly dirty from rain, salt, road salt, dirt, dust. And this is what we're going to be attacking today. Very nasty stuff. Let's see how it cleans. I found this Turtle Wax product, which is an interior cleaner, also for the carpet. And it is a one-step product and it has a nice stiff brush and a foam applicator. And that's what we're going to be using here today. Of course, if you don't have leather car seats, you can also use this to clean your car seats. But for today it's for carpet. It's a one-step product. It promises triple action. I'm not sure what this means. A fresh scent, we'll be checking that out, and a powerful foam. Step 1 is to clean and vacuum clean your car where you're going to be applying the products. I highly recommend that you get an extension cord and hook up your own vacuum cleaner and do this at home, because the vacuum cleaners at the gas station are banged up, thrown on the ground, full of dirt, and it's just a waste of money. Just try to do it at home. Shake the product well before you apply it. Just like your regular shaving cream, right? Then they say spray diagonally on a small zone and start with it first. Let's see how that goes. Oh! Wow. Wow. I mean, that's like, you could indeed shave yourself with this probably. It is a very, very thick foam. Well, I probably heavily oversprayed here, as I usually do. But it smells very citrusy. It looks really nice. The second step is to declare yourself an idiot, like I did, because you heavily oversprayed. Let's move on to step 3. Massage the foam gently in the area where you want it to clean. And then let it rest for 5 minutes. You use the brush, it's quite nice. And because of its slightly diagonal structure, you can come into small cracks and creases. This is actually very handy and my hands don't get dirty at all. Okay, I created this huge mess, it's literally everywhere. Probably I was a bit careless in the beginning, but get yourself some tissues or some microfiber cloth to get rid of this before you let it dry for 5 minutes. During the 5-minute drying process, as you can see, the foam starts to dissolve and goes into the carpet. And I guess now the cleaning process is really starting. So let's wait a few more minutes to see what will happen when we move to the next step. According to the next step, we need to take a moist microfiber towel, which we're going to be pressing on the surface where we want to get the dirt from. As you can see, I've selected the cleanest microfiber towel you could find. Very clean. After 5 minutes, it already looks significantly cleaner than before. I can see the original nice structure of the carpet. Now we need to gently press and go over the area in a rubbing motion where we want to lift off the dirt from the carpet. So I'll do this here a few times, then we'll see what the towel looks like. Yeah, in the towel you can clearly see that it has removed some of the embedded dirt from the carpet. I can clearly see that, both particles that were probably loosened up because of the foam. But also, just embedded dust. Here, on the actual carpet itself, it looks Yeah, it looks much cleaner, I would say. Definitely still not as shiny and crisp. For example, yeah, here under the seat, where no feet are. But still, the result is quite good. I think I'll go for a second pass. I'll try not to overspray this time. Yeah, that's much better. So let's repeat the process. While I'm doing step 1 here, I also am going to do step 2. And this is what... See, you can also spray from a distance with this stuff. So I find that quite useful. And we're going to be repeating the rubbing process. I recommend you go both up and down, and then left to right, and then diagonally, so you can hit every fiber of the carpet. And yeah, okay, you can already see after the second pass it's really doing something extra. I can clearly see that the product is working much better on the second pass. Also here, rub it left and right, and up and down, and then sideways for the best result and spreading of the product. What I like about it is that because of the structure of this, you can get into the most difficult to reach places. So I guess they thought it through when they designed this bottle. Yeah, I mean, while you're spraying, you might as well also just spray that on the pedals, because those get very dirty too. And I do believe that this is a very good solution to take also these off quickly with the product. I'm also going to do the other side here. Yeah. This is a lot of fun to do. Look how well it covers the whole area. And then it's time for the massage. Ooh, yeah. Giving the carpet the best treatment you can with this massive foaming toothbrush-like thing. Yeah, it's super clean. It's actually quite satisfying, because you know this area hasn't been cleaned in a long time, and because of something like this, it's relatively easy to do and quite satisfying when you see the result. See how the foam gets into the fibers of the carpet, and now you let it dry, it all gets absorbed and loosens up the dirt and does the cleaning. Still don't know what the triple action means, but I think one of the actions is that it gets me all turned on how good this is. Very, very nice. I hope it does the same for you. After a few minutes, almost everything has been absorbed by the carpet, as you can see here with the product. Yeah, and here's a check of the final result. I put back in the floor mat. I'm quite happy with this product. I think it's very easy to apply it. As you can see, very clean. I'm sure this removes all sorts of dirt that you step in. I mean, if you pee next to the road and you step on somebody else's pee, or you walk through the dirt, road salt, whatever. I'm also quite happy how I was able to clean the pedals with it. It was very easy to apply in the high cracks, in the low cracks. In general, I think such a product, I mean, realistically, how often do you apply something like this? Maybe you apply it once per year or 2 times per year, and then to clean your carpet that easily, thanks to this brush, which also captures a lot of the dirt, as you can see. I think it's a good deal for 8, 9, 10 euro, what you pay, depending on where you get it. So I think it's recommended. But what do you think? Is this turtle wax shaving foam like cleaning stuff for your car seats, and especially for your carpet? Is it a good product? Have you tried it? Is there something else that works just as good or even better? And is there a way to clean your carpet almost just as easy for less money? Let me know in the comments. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great weekend. Ciao, ciao.